Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the 5 challenges that affiliate marketers face, and this can keep you from growing your business and becoming successful. I encountered all of these, and I hope with my advice, I can educate you and help you not to make these mistakes when starting with your affiliate marketing business. There are ways to bypass these and not to be affected by these if you know in advance to look out for these pitfalls. I'm Dr. Lundi from LegitBlueprint.com. I'm building my affiliate marketing online business by making these short tutorials for you to help you to be informed about the challenges that are waiting for you. I'm currently using a proven blueprint strategy that works. Just click the link below and check it out. Please click the like and subscribe button not to miss any of my future videos if you want to know when I'm uploading them. Let's get down to the training. Challenges. We are all over the show with so many projects, and as they say, Jack of all trades and master of none. We are so used to buying shiny objects and buying but not acting. Let's look at our first challenge. The shiny object syndrome. We have to learn to focus on one strategy and do not get distracted. I started out with 2 different strategies. One was affiliate marketing and the other e-commerce, which is totally 2 different ways of working. I never knew where to spend my time as both strategies were not working, as I was splitting my time between the 2. I've learned keep working on one strategy until it's established, and then you are making a consistent income with this. Remember, if something works, you must still work on it. You cannot just sit back and do nothing. The moral of the story, focus on one strategy or one method, get your mind set on it, and do not divert from your plan. This will give you the results you're looking for. Challenge number 2. Never think it will be easy. The perception that I had was, I had to find a product, promote it, and make lots of money. I can tell you, there's no way that you can be a millionaire overnight. All the gurus tell you it's easy. Do not believe this. You have to work hard and do the work. Yes, the process of affiliate marketing is simple, but putting it into practice takes a lot of hard work. You have to work to make money. It doesn't happen overnight. Remember, people buy from people and not websites. That's why you need to give value to your clients, and you have to add you to the equation and show yourself. Then they will trust you and they will buy your product. So the moral of the story of this challenge, this is not a push button system. You will need to work hard to get results. You need to learn a lot of skills, and you have to work hard to make it work. The good point of this, if you do it yourself, you're also empowered. You know how to make success. Put in the work in the beginning and you will reap the awards later. Just do not give up. Stick to the strategy, keep working, stay focused on your goal and keep pushing forward to become successful. Challenge number 3. Do not underestimate the importance of traffic. Getting traffic to your affiliate offer is not easy. Affiliate marketers need traffic to be successful. I tried all my social platforms and soon I knew it was not working. The gurus have lots of followers, so they get results. But as a beginner, we do not have the traffic. You cannot just put out your link on social media and hope people will buy your product, as this is not working. YouTube is currently by far the best free traffic source. Focus on YouTube and get good at it, and work to grow your subscribers and views. It takes hard work, but if you work, you will be pleasantly surprised how things can take off suddenly when you do not expect it. Build your brand on YouTube from the start and forget about the other platforms for the moment. The moral of the story: traffic is the most important aspect of your business. No traffic, no sales. So let's work at it. Challenge number 4. Do not only promote one product. Promote the offer and then promote the upsells to the offer. Your commissions will increase and you will be getting more income. By promoting the whole package as you grow your online business, the back-end product is your real money. Promote multiple products that are related so that you can gain momentum and earn your money. Challenge number 5. The biggest challenge that all of us are facing is not taking action. There are so many options out there, but which one should I take is the question. Watching lots of videos about affiliate marketing and searching for the right one is not going to work. The more you search, the longer you postpone the start. You have to be ready to make a decision and then be ready to take the steps needed to implement your choice of product. The moral of the story again, just do it. Learn along the way as you work. Making progress is better than waiting for perfection. Focus on your progress and celebrate your small wins, and you will make it to become successful. There you have it. This is my 5 challenges I encountered when I started in affiliate marketing. If you have some challenges different from these I mentioned, please share this in the comment box below. This will help others not to make the same mistakes. My question for today: do you want to start with affiliate marketing? Are you up to the challenge? If you're interested in building a legit online business, then click the link below and learn a proven step-by-step strategy on how you can make money online. I'm Dr. Lundi from legitblueprint.com. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.